again. Yeah, Amerikaans. Totally crazy. Ja, mijn hart is al gebreekt. Denk to the place. I call them a faithful princess in my everything. Dreaming in reality, but she's based on the truth. So ik zweer dat ik is maar verliefd. Totally crazy. Ja, mijn hart is al gebreekt. Denk to the place. I call them a faithful princess in my everything. Dreaming in reality, but she's based on the I'm stuck up with a picture in my head. Swear I'm so confused, my intentions be getting mad. Struggle to handle the feeling, is getting bad. Honestly, she's driving me insane, totally echt. Out of the blue, my mind just started running. I'm a little bit confused, my feelings full of worries. Do I really know what I'm doing and do I love it? So I'm just busy questioning myself, was it ain't funny? I'm stuck up with an awful situation, lovey-dovey. Don't say that I don't want it, I mean she's just trying to help me. But when I look into her eyes, emotions became honey. Negative thoughts to circulate all over my body. I try to keep my focus, but the picture keep on coming. If I'm actually busy losing my mind, well then I'm sorry. Feeling so sensitive, my mind struggle to focus. Doesn't really know how to control me when I'm with you. I think that we need a little bit space just for a second. Even though a little bit of space makes me aggressive. I'm feeling so incompressive, international feeling. Be leading my interaction, so greedy to see me. I'm even stuck up with a picture in my. So I'm so confused, my intentions be getting mad. Struggle to handle the feeling, it's getting bad. Honestly, she's driving me insane, totally ill. Ja, ik zweer dat ik is maar verliefd, totally crazy. En ja, mijn hart was al gebreekt, then she replaced it. I call her my faithful princess in my everything. Dreaming in reality, this is yo. Like, even though it's distance, so sfeer ik mekaar ik. Girlfriend, I don't give a damn, ik weet dat ik jou gaan krijgen. En if I get you, I'll protect you met alles binnen mij. Zij ze reden dat ik leef, een boze situatie. Zij is mijn mat, bent mij, maar ze is everything in mijn taken. Ik denk ik heb zo pas verliefd geraakt op die dame. Zodra ik binnen een oor kijk, zoek ik naar asem. Reason that I brought the song is to tell her I love you. Cause it's gorgeous, so trick of intelligent, and that's what I need. Perfect perfection and sexy, believe what I speak. They say money talking, also follow love is speaking. Totally unique, which means I'm feeling so completed. Meant to be my dreams, I feel I love you till I die. Ik hoor nog van mijn exen, because you all that matters to me. Straks zo ontmoet ik met glummet circumstances. First they will niet met dat tot mezelf, this is my blessing. Onbegrijpelijk boeiend, ongelooflijk afgekam aan zijden. Wat zo stimuleert me praat en losing for the concentration. I know for a fact, that's in the game, this reality. Thank God for taking me patience, I appreciate it. Ik zweer dat ik is nou verliefd, totally crazy. Ja, mijn hart was al gebreekt, then she replaced it. I call her my faithful princess in my everything. Dream became reality, this is based on the truth. I'm stuck up with a picture in my head. So I'm so confused, my intentions be getting weird. Struggle to handle the feeling, it's getting bad. Honestly, she's driving me insane, totally echt. Wow.